Hi, let me give you a brief presentation of my advanced order entry scripts for the Metatrader 4 platform. These scripts have money management functions, so you can define the maximum amount of money you want to risk per trade without doing all the math. First things first, you have to set in your tools and options box. You have to allow live trading for expert advisor. And this also applies to scripts. Okay, when you have that set, you can use the scripts. But before you use them, you have to modify a couple of variables to suit your trading style. You see here the most important variables are the risk, take profit, and stop loss. These are basically self-explanatory, but I'll go through them anyway. Risk is the percent of the amount of your account which you're willing to risk per trade. Take profit, of course, is the take profit in pips you want to set, and the stop loss is the stop loss you want to set in pips also. There are some additional variables, which is the slippage. We have that set to 2 pips. Consider spread. This variable is a very useful one because when you're placing orders the old-fashioned way in Metatrader, you set your take profit at 10 pips. Well, guess what? You actually get 8 pips if you have a 2-pip spread. If you consider spreads here, your take profit will be at 12 pips minus spread. That's 10 pips. So it's actually what you set here. That's the actual value that's going to be taken into account once the order is profitable, of course. Some other things you can set here is the minimum and maximum lot sizes that this script can use. Okay, and another thing is ask for confirmation. This simply shows a dialog box confirming that you want to place the trade. You can set that to true or not. If you set that to false, it won't bring out the dialog box, which will make your entry even faster, but you won't get to verify what the script has to do or what the script wants to do before it places the trade to market. Okay, let's say you set everything here, you agree with that, compile, make sure you have no errors, close the editor, and now you're ready to use the scripts. Okay, let's see how the buy script works. What you do is you can double click it or just drag it onto your chart. Say you want to drag it onto your chart, and this is the confirmation. It asks you if you want to buy one lot at the ask price. And say, okay, I do. See that order is already placed. Your stop loss is in place. Your take profit is in place, and it decided to buy one lot. Now, why is that? Why did it choose one lot? It's because the risk amount you chose in the beginning or in your presets is at 2%. Now, 2% of $5,000 would be exactly $100. So at one lot, if you take 10 pip stop loss, that would equal $100 because each pip is $10. Okay. So the worst can happen is you lose $100 here. Okay, so that was really quick and easy.